Been waiting for this box for weeks. This is our turbo kit. It's finally here. So we're gonna do a quick unboxing.
Here we go. You know that this right here forever. No surrender. It's forever. You know this right here forever. No surrender. It's forever. You know this right here forever.
By the way, it's heavy. Okay, so what we're looking at is the Omega 12 kit. This is proven over 1,000. It should make 1,200 to the crank, maybe 1,100-ish. I think some guys have done 1050. Sam Barrows did 1050, I think, on it. Maybe a little bit more. I'll be honest with you, I haven't kept up with what everybody's putting out. Sam was one of the first ones to run this kit, tune it, and had great success with it at Texas 2K. I think Eric over at Chicago Motor Cars runs the same kit as well. So it's definitely streetable, right? So what we're looking at are the new Garrett G25s. You know, this is the newest technology that is out there. This is not the kit that I was planning on running in the SEMA car. This is a kit that just came out, but I'm not gonna put an old kit or old technology on the car. Especially when we're going to be tracking it after SEMA. So I wanted to make sure that we had the best, the newest. Bands to make them dance. Turbo lines for the return. Clips. AN lines, or AN fittings I should say. Copper crush washers. Lots of goodies in there.
$2,000 years later.
It's not a trick, there's a magic envelope. Oh! It's what we've been waiting for, baby. The Omega 12 stickers. These can go on the side of the car. Nice. Great. Thank you, AMS, for sending these. We're probably gonna have to get these recut anyway, only because I want to make sure they stand out on the build, and of course the alpha badge for the rear. Very nice. This stuff is worth some money because it's yeah, hard to get.